As an international student, I am constantly looking for great deals and discounts to save money, especially if I do shopping. Whether looking for cardigans for the coming fall, a pair of boots, things I need to organize my room, or simply window shopping to look for buy one get one or great deals, Orfus Road here in Toronto is one of my best options to go. To go to Orfus Road, take Dufferin exit off of the 401 if you are traveling from outside the city. Turn right on west onto Orfus Road after traveling south on Dufferin. If you're traveling through the city by car, Orfus Road is located between Dufferin and Caledonia just north of Lawrence. However, the following transit lines have routes that pass near Orfus Road, which are buses number 47, 52, 929, and Subway 1. But if you're still confused, don't worry my friend, we have Google Maps to take advantage too. Kaya nyo na yan, kaya gora na kayo. Osha, let's go! Tara, let's explore na natin itong Orfus Road. First up, tignan natin tong Kitchen Staff Plus Clearance Outlet Store. Let's go! Pasukin naman natin ang Designer Depot Store. I also found store that caters gowns and wedding dresses. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang Arden Outlet Store dito sa Orfus Road. At syempre pa, ang isa sa pinakapaborito ko ay ang Market by the Pound. Basta matyaga ka lang maghaluka, you will surely find the gem dito sa store na to. At ayun na nga mga mimis, eto na nga at ako'y napabili. Market pound, just take note guys that they have a minimum of 5 pounds. So I also spent almost $20 here, included the tax. In fairness dito sa Just Thrift Store ha, hindi man sila ang cheapest pero ang gaganda ng selection ng item nila sa kanilang store. So this was the last store that I went to today. However, there's a lot more stores for you to find a great deals and discounts here in Orfus Road.